Think investing is only for the rich. Not true. Even just $100 can kickstart your portfolio in 2025. New apps now let you buy fractional shares for as little as $1. With $100, you can own pieces of big-name stocks or ETFs easily. Stay with me, and I'll show you how to turn your first $100 into a growing investment. Welcome back to InvestSmart Basics, your channel for simple, smart investing tips. Whether you're in the US, UK, Canada, or anywhere, these steps will work for you. If you're new here, hit subscribe for weekly beginner-friendly finance videos. First, pick an investing app with no minimums and no commissions. Apps like Robinhood, Acorns, and Sophie let you start investing with just a few dollars. Many of these apps allow you to use roundups to invest your spare change automatically. This means you can split your $100 across multiple stocks or ETFs instantly. Next, use fractional shares. Instead of buying a full share of an expensive stock, you can buy a fraction. For example, if Apple stock costs $150, you can buy $50 worth and still own a piece of it. This helps you diversify your $100 across different companies easily. Instead of picking single stocks, consider buying index funds or ETFs. These funds track the whole market, like the S&P 500, and help you diversify instantly. You can buy ETFs with low fees, even in fractional amounts, with your $100. If you don't want to pick funds yourself, try a robo-advisor like Betterment. They automatically build a diversified portfolio for you, even with $100. Or consider opening a Roth IRA to invest your $100 for tax-free growth for your retirement. Investing $100 is just the beginning. Make it a habit to add even small amounts every month to grow your wealth. Stay patient, learn consistently, and let your money work for you over time. So there you have it, 5 easy steps to start investing with just $100 in 2025. You don't need a fortune to start building wealth. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more InvestSmart Basics videos. Comment below and let me know what you will invest your first $100 in. Thanks for watching, and happy investing. Subscribe for weekly investing tips. Watch next, best ETFs to buy in 2025.